The 2018 commemoration of Human Rights Day marks the beginning of a year-long celebration of 70 years since the international community adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This year's Human Rights Day advocates for everyone to stand up for their rights and those of others. Although I would like to celebrate all our rights and freedoms, but my people, the Uyghurs, do suffer in silence at the whims of violent and repressive authoritarian governments. Sadly, despite 70 years long history of declaration of universal values and a shared standard of achievement for everyone in every country, the situation for the Uyghur people has not changed since the Chinese Communist Party took over the Uyghur region 70 years ago. As we speak, more than 1 million innocent Uyghurs have been arbitrarily detained in the vast network